Samsung just dropped a massive surprise update, and your phone might be on the list. Samsung has officially started rolling out the One UI 8 Android 16 update for a batch of popular mid-range devices, including Galaxy A53 5G, Galaxy A33 5G GY3, Galaxy M56 5G BY6, Galaxy M53 M4, Galaxy M33 Jump 2 YI4, Galaxy M15, Galaxy XCover 7 Pro BY6. The rollout has kicked off in South Korea, and the global release is set for October 16, so get ready. Your turn is coming soon. What's new in One UI 8? Don't expect a full visual makeover. Samsung has kept most of the interface similar to One UI 7, including same quick settings panel, familiar notification shade, standard volume sliders and icons. However, Samsung has refined the overall experience with subtle UX improvements and updated system apps. Most changes may not be flashy, but they're designed to make your phone smoother and more stable. Why this update actually matters. Here's the real game changer. Installing One UI 8 makes your device eligible for One UI 8.5, the mid-cycle update that's rumored to bring bigger design changes and new AI-powered features. Samsung is expected to launch the One UI 8.5 beta in late November for select flagship models, with wider rollout starting Q2 next year. So even if One UI 8 feels familiar, it's the stepping stone to the next big evolution. How to update. No complications. Samsung is delivering this update over the air, OTA. Just head to Settings, Software Update, download and install. No data loss, no manual flashing. Just tap and go. Now it's your turn. Are you updating right away or waiting for One UI 8.5? Drop your device name in the comments, and I'll keep you posted the moment 8.5 news drops for it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because the next big Samsung update leak is coming soon, and you won't want to miss it.